This is 1988, number 36. So keyword, average value, as opposed to average rate of change. Average rate of change is the slope of the secant line, f of b minus f of a over b minus a. Average value, the formula for average value of any function is you integrate the function and then you divide by the width, b minus a. So if you integrate from a to b, the width or the distance from a to b is b minus a. That's how you find the average value of any function. So for this particular one, we're integrating 3x minus x squared, but the question is, where's the starting and ending value? So what does that graph look like? Well, first of all, you should realize that means it's an upside down parabola. So you should see that. Then if you factor this and take an x out, you get 3 minus x. You set that equal to 0, you get 0 and 3. So now you know it crosses the x-axis at 0 and 3. So now you know what it looks like. It's going to look something like that. So they want the average value of the points in the first quadrant. So they want the average value from there to there. So now you know it's going to be from 0 to 3. 0 to 3, then you divide by 3 minus 0. So multiple topics, knowing how to find the average value. Integrate, divide by the width. Second thing you had to know, what does this graph look like? And what part's in the first quadrant? And it's going to be from 0 to 3, so you had to know that. And once you get that, now we can work this out. I add 1 to the exponent and divide by that. Add 1 to the exponent and divide by that. And don't forget that it's easy to forget the little things like that. I did that yesterday once. So be very, very careful. I'm going to plug in the 3. 3 times 3 squared over 2 minus 3 cubed over 3. And then when you plug in the 0, you just get 0. Don't forget that 3. Then you're going to get 27 halves minus 27 thirds. I'm going to times 1/3. So dividing by 3 is multiplying by 1/3. Let me go ahead and distribute that because it's going to make my life a tad bit easier. That's going to become 9 halves minus 9 thirds, which is 4 1/2 minus 3, which is 1 1/2. Hopefully. Is that there? 1 1/2? There it is.